Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre la prononciation de la combinaison OU. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in this video, we are going to learn the combination, the pronunciation of the combination OU in French. Now see. First of all, I'll tell you what is the individual sound of O and U in French, and then we'll learn what is the combined sound. So see, if you say O, then that in French is known as O, just like the letter O. So if I say P-O, that's Po. If I say M-O, that's Mo, right? Now if you say this letter, then that is known as U. So VU would be view, BU would be bu. But now if you combine them, O and U, then what happens? The magic happens, and OU combined is known as U. It's neither O or U. Together it is known as U, the sound of U. As in English, when you say the double letter O, if I say in English this, then that is known as O. I'm sorry, that is known as U. Now, all these words have the combination of OU in them. Let's look at them. First is ku, because I told you OU is U, so with C it becomes ku, and that's your neck, ku. Now again, OU, that becomes jour. With this it becomes jour and jour. Un jour, that's a day. Un chou. Now in French, the combination of CH is not ch, that's sh. So together you say it as chou, because OU is U. Chou is a cabbage. Then now this was COU was coup. Now with this it becomes couple, and that's a couple. So un coup, un jour, un chou, un couple. On continue avec une. Now this is you who has to pronounce this. DOU becomes do. So douche, une douche. Douche is a shower. Une douche. Then these are quite similar words. Instead of D, I've just put B. So it becomes une bouche. That's your mouth. Une bouche. OU is U. Next, un pouce. By the way, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Un pouce. It becomes a thumb. Next is une roue. Again, it has the combination OU. So it becomes roue. Une roue, that's a wheel. Next is une couche. And that's a nappy, that's a diaper. So you say une couche. On répète. Un coup, un jour, un chou, un couple, une douche, une bouche, un pouce, by the way it's an exception, un pouce, une roue, une couche. Now some other words to explain you the concept better, and that's une boue. Une boue. OU is ou. So I would also write it in Hindi so that you get to know. That's oo. Okay. So une boue. That's a mud. Okay. Next is une joue. That's a cheek. Une joue. OU. Une boue. Une joue. On continue. Vous. A lot of my students, they have difficulty in pronouncing this and this. See, this one has only the letter U. So that's U. So that's view. And that's vous. OU. And the last letter, the last consonant I should say, in French is generally not pronounced. So you don't say vous, you say vous. Nous, that's V. Nous. OU is OU, so it becomes nous. Fou. Somebody who's mad, who's crazy, we say fou. Pour. OU. Pour. That's for. Sous. That's under. Sous. Pour. Sous. They both are prepositions. Next is douze. And that's the number 12. OU. So with D it becomes dou and z. Douze. Alors on répète. Une boue. Une joue. Vous. Nous. Fou. Pour. Sous. Et 12. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for daily updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.